look good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna make this super quick. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I do my wash and go routine. To do a really highly defined, dope wash and go, you have to make sure your hair is super moisturized and clean before you do a dope wash and go. I didn't want to make this video too long, so if you do want to see that video on how I wash and condition my hair before styling, let me know in the comment box below. So after I wash and condition my hair, I'm going to apply aloe vera gel. That is super important in my wash and go styling routine because that closes the hair cuticles and makes sure that your hair shaft is smooth. It also helps with frizz as well. So after I put the aloe vera gel, I'm going to start molding my hair. I'm going to start actually creating the style and the way that my hair falls at this very moment before I apply the gel. I'm going to apply my gel. This gel is called, I hope this is how you pronounce it, Mielle Curl Sculpting Custard. The line comes in soft to deep definition, and this is deep definition. I like it because it smells so good, and also it goes on smooth. I mean, your hair is not going to be swinging in the wind or anything like that, but it's not going to be crunchy either. You do want to make sure your hair is soaking wet, and you want to apply a generous amount, okay? By the way, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you feel in this video. And also, don't forget to turn on notifications, which is the bell icon under the video, to be notified every time your girl posts. I'm now going to apply Eco Styler to my edges. So this right here is a very important part. You could either air dry your hair, but if you do, you won't be able to manipulate how stretched out your wash and go style looks. I like to blow dry my hair with that curling thingy on top. I forgot what it's called. And while I'm drying my hair, I'm going to tug a little bit, just lightly on my hair, just to stretch it out. You don't want to tug too much because then your ends are going to end up like really wiry. So just tug lightly, and that actually helps so much to stretch out your hair. What can I do to preserve my wash and go? Because this is just second day hair and I'm looking like a chia pet. So please comment down below on how I can look decent on day 2. In the meantime, make sure to check out my next video to the left of me. Binge watch my entire channel.